Bíbélì wípé ẹ máa ja ìjà rere ti ìgbàgbọ́, fight the good fight of faith. So it means there is a fight to fight. Yeah. And even in marriage, you got to fight. I remember some years back, brother and sister kan tó fẹ́ ṣègbéyàwó wọn wá bá mi. When I was counseling them, and the guy was telling me, oh, she's an angel, she's this, she's perfect, she's beautiful, she's brainy, and listed all the good qualities about this lady, which were so freaking and so inspiring. But along the line, I asked him, I said, Cheman Jasha. And the guy was absolute and was like, Jabao. I'm telling you, somebody is perfect, heavenly baked. You're saying Shamanja. I said, if you don't go and fight, I won't come to your wedding. And the guy was looking at me like, I said, Majao. Now, I'm not talking of you boxing each other, shouting, yelling at each other, but there must be some times when she won't look at it the way you are looking at it. You are not from the same father, the same mother. Even siblings, we are what we call siblings rivalry, and there are times your brother, your sister, same blood, same father, same mother, you disagree on things. Only so if you have not been having one or two misunderstandings, is either you are lording it over her or she's pretending. Maybe one of you is a robot, in that relationship, because if you both are expressing your mind and you are free to be you in that relationship, I can assure you that there will be time when there will be little misunderstanding. And there is no big deal about misunderstanding. About the way misunderstanding or that misunderstanding, or méjìlá sopọ̀ tó dẹyọ kan miss and understanding. So when there's misunderstanding in any relationship, it simply means there's an understanding that is missing. And when something is missing, you look for it. So you make only you won't say because you are having a headache now, you go and cut off your head. You got to look for paracetamol or look for painkiller, and then you won't cut off your head because you are having slight headache. So tí issue bá ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú marriage, tí àwọ̀ bá wà nínú ìgbéyàwó, a máa jókòó sọ ni. Tá bá wá jókòó sọ, a wò pé kí gangan ló fa àwọ̀ yìí. You look for what is the problem, not who is the problem. You don't need to attack the personality, you just need to attack the issue. What is the problem? Kí gangan ní nǹkan tó ń fa wàhálà, tó ń fa kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Bẹ́ ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ lánàá yẹn mi láìkí ẹ ti pariwo mọ́ mi jù, ẹ ti bú mi jù, ẹ ti ṣe okay, ẹ má bínú, I am so sorry. Maybe I didn't know when I lost my temper, I shouldn't have shouted on you like that. Adẹ̀ sọ, adẹ̀ yẹra wọn. Bíbélì sọ fún wa pé bí ẹnikẹ́ni inú ìwé ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run, inú ìwé Kólósì orí 3, kẹbàkà láti ẹsẹ̀ 6 wá sísàlẹ̀, ó sọ nípa bí a ṣe gbọ́dọ̀ gbé pẹ̀lú àwọn ènìyàn. Ó ní bí ẹnikẹ́ni bá ní ẹ̀sùn sí ẹnìkan, bí Kristi ṣe dáríjì yín, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kẹ́ máa dáríjì ẹnìkejì yín. What does that mean? Even among Christians, among people of God, there will be time of misunderstanding, but we don't need to sleep over it. Ká máa bínú pẹ̀lú ọkọ ẹni tàbí ìyàwó ẹni, ọjọ́ 3, oṣù 5 ẹ ṣì ń ṣe gbọ́nmi sí omi òtó, ẹ dira yín sínú, ẹ kíra yín, ẹ bára yín sọ̀rọ̀. Àwọn ọmọ wa ń rí pé what is wrong láàrin bàbá àti màmá, kò jẹ́ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Ọkọ mi nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe yìí ò dáa, ìyàwó mi ní láìkí nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe. Tí oníkálùkù bá dẹ̀ ti ní ọkàn Ọlọ́run, tí ò ń ṣe ọkàn ìgbéraga pé láéláé kàkà kí n dọ̀bálẹ̀ fún gàmbàrí ní ayé afárígá. Gbogbo bá ti ní ọkàn bí ọkàn Ọlọ́run, nínú ìwé Fílípì orí 2 ẹsẹ̀ 5, ó ní ẹ jẹ́ kí ọkàn yìí kó wà nínú yín, èyí tó wà nínú Jésù Kristi. So when you have the mind of Christ, you are not going to be a stubborn husband, a stubborn wife. When your errors are pointed to you, you are quick to say, I am sorry. Because you know to err is human. You are not perfect. So you have times when you do some things, maybe not even intentionally, but you hurt your spouse. And the best you do is to say, oh, dear, I'm so sorry. I didn't know this thing gets you angry. Please, I won't do that again. And change genuinely. So tá bá ti lè fi àwọn ìlànà yẹn sí, tẹ́ni kejì wá ṣẹ̀wá, tá bá ní gbọ́nmi sómi òtó, ẹ já jókòó ká sọ. Ẹlòmí obìnrin mi àkọ́ máa dìkiri lé ni, a máa dìkiri, ẹ bá bí léèrè, ẹ fi mí lẹ̀ o, kíní kan, ṣe mo ní nǹkan ṣe mí ní, èrò ló kan tí, ẹ fi mí lẹ̀ o, kíní kan. It shouldn't be. And your husband might not even know pé òun ti ṣẹ̀ kí n gbénú ọlọ́rọ̀ mọ̀rọ̀. Ohun tẹ́ bá sọ jáde náà máa mọ̀. Bẹ́ ṣe wò mí lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn, ẹ ti mọ́jú sí mi jù. Kò yẹ kẹ́ mọ́jú bẹ́ẹ̀. Mi dẹ̀ actually football mò ń wò lórí TV, ìwọ ló rò pé mò ń wò ẹ́. Ẹ jọ sọ, ẹ jọ ṣàlàyé ẹ̀. Tí oníkálùkù bá dẹ̀ ti ní ọkàn Ọlọ́run, tí òun ṣe pé ọkàn pé I want always to be right. You are not always defensive. You are always gentle, kind, meek, and you have the fruit of the Spirit producing in your life. Kindness, meekness, love, patience, self-control. I tell you, láti yanjú aáwọ̀ tàbí gbọ́nmi sí omi òkun kò ní jẹ́ nǹkan tó máa nira. Tẹ́ bá ti sọ síbẹ̀, ó ti tán síbẹ̀ nìyẹn. Inú oníkálùkù ti clear. Because ẹnìkan máa ń sọ pé somebody was telling me pé ìyàwó òun àti ìyàwó òun ní aáwọ̀, òun wá bá sọ̀rọ̀ for like 2-3 days. Ìyàwó ẹ̀ dẹ̀ ti bẹ̀ kò dáhùn. Ó ní ìyàwó ẹ̀ wá bá lọ́jọ́ kan pé èwo ni ká ṣẹ̀yìn ká máa bẹ̀yìn kẹ́ máa dáhùn. Tá a bá parí nígbà ọlá tún mo wá ṣẹ̀yìn lọ́la náà, so ẹ jẹ́ ká settle eléyìí ká she was just being funny like tá a bá tí ìyanjú eléyìí ọlá mo máa ṣẹ̀yìn, another one, I'll do another one. So let's quickly settle this one so that we can probably move forward and ká tún ṣe mí ká tún so it's roller coaster. You just have to keep breathing it, and it's part of marriage. As long as your heart is pure and you are not a wicked person, when there is misunderstanding, you'll be able to sort it without creating unnecessary sin, leading to fighting, domestic violence, and beating each other to the point of killing one another. That shouldn't be. It's not. We have not learned Christ that way. The Christian Kowabe.